Hey guys, it's Adi here, and this is a quick look at Update 1 for Windows Phone 8.1, which was just released today in the Developers Preview program. And what this update is a bunch of minor fixes and changes and improvements to the Windows Phone 8.1 update. And obviously, as the name implies, you need Windows Phone 8.1 on your phone to get it, regardless if it's the Developer Preview or not. However, you do not need Nokia Cyan or the Nokia update to get the Update 1 for Windows Phone 8.1. So let's just take a quick rundown of what's new in it, and these aren't all the features since there are a lot of features, but just the quick preview, the most important and biggest ones. And first of all, it would be the inclusion of start screen folders. Now, as you can see here, I have a new little icon in the upper right corner next to my maps where I have 4 little tiles inside each other, and this is a start screen folder. So if I just tap it like that, you'll see that the folder automatically expands, and it's titled Maps, and I've put all my mapping apps in there. So tapping on the folder icon opens and closes the thing with a nice little animation that, as you can see, is very smooth. Sorry about that. Very smooth animation right there. And tapping on the name of the folder allows you to edit the name of the folder itself. You can just call it whatever you want. To add folders, you simply long press on a live tile and drag it onto a second live tile, and then you can add more into that tile by just dragging it into the folder. Once you click on the folder, you can reorganize the folder, add more, remove items from the folder, or delete the whole folder by simply dragging everything out of the folder again. So I'm going to remove this folder. We just drag everything out of here, which does take a while, honestly, but whatever. And there you go, the folder instantly disappears, and you can set your live screen or your start screen back to how it was. One feature about the folders is the fact that tiles within the folder can also be different sizes. So you can see here I have a large tile and a small tile in the same folder. And we just close that folder up, it collapses completely. So you can have your full-size notification tiles inside the folder, which is great on smaller size screens. Personally, on my 6-inch Lumia 1520, I don't need many large folders, but it's useful if you want to, keep everything at a glance while saving some real estate space. So that's the major improvement in this Update 1, which is inclusion of folders. Another improvement is the fact that Cortana Alpha is available in other countries, including Canada, the UK, and India. And so if you're in one of those countries where Cortana was not initially available, you can now use it in those countries, and it'll come with the regional dialects and responses depending on the region. And of course, it also includes normal updates and improvements for Cortana as well as the system itself. Another change is under the settings. If we head over to all settings, and you go to internet sharing, you now have an option to share your internet via Bluetooth. So if you share over, you have the option for Bluetooth as well, which means that you can do Bluetooth pair sharing for your phone, which is a pretty cool feature and useful for many. Another feature that's been improved is the VPNs for businesses, which honestly I don't really know much about, but basically what it means is you can now have some apps that are select apps that are only accessible in VPN mode. So you can select some apps, such as perhaps your business apps. You can have Office, Excel, OneNote, etc., only available on the phone and only available to use then. That way you can just make sure that your customers or whatever are not messing around playing Subway Surfer or Temple Run, and instead they're doing their job and doing what they're paid for. There are a bunch of other improvements to the OS, including stability improvements and minor changes that there isn't an official changelog available yet, so we don't have a full list of them, but I'm sure there are a bunch more. One of the other improvements includes voice over LTE, as well as changes to the performance in general, I believe, and I don't want to go on because I don't remember exactly. So if you guys have noticed any different changes, let us know in the comments down below. And what do you guys think of the new start screen folders? I really like the animation. I was worried that it's going to become cluttered and ugly, but it does look really nice. Even when expanded, the folders look very nice. And what do you guys think of it? What do you think of the update in general? Have you gotten it? If so, let us know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys around in the next video.